Now today I'm going to show you how to import a repository to GitHub, and today we're going to focus on using the GitHub importer web interface. Now please note that this method of importing a repository from GitHub, it needs to have a link where you hosted it. It could be GitLab, it could be Bitbucketer, but it needs to have a link, and the project needs to be public. So this project, I have this project on GitLab. It's a public project, and I want to import it to GitHub. So the first thing I do is I'll make sure I log into where the repository is first. In this case, this is GitLab. So log into GitLab, and I also log into my GitHub account. Once you're done with that, you're gonna come to the navigation bar at the top where you see the plus sign. You click on it. It says create new. You're gonna click on import repository. Now once you import the repository, you're going to scroll down, and this is where it comes in on the URL of your source code. So you're going to provide a URL of your source code. You're going to come to the source code here. You click on code, and we're going to clone with HTTPS. And we're going to come here. We're going to click on this. So it says your username for your source code. You're going to input your username, since that's the username that I use for GitLab. Once we go to GitLab, once we go into my profile, you see it here. That's the username that I use. This username. You're gonna input the password, and you're gonna choose the owner of the repository, and you're gonna add the project name. So the project name, I like to add the same project name. I like to add the same project name that we created. So this is a test project. What we're gonna do is we're gonna copy test project. We're gonna add it here. And then we're going to make it public also, and then we're going to begin import. Now it says it's preparing our import, and just like that, we've been able to import. It says importing complete your new repository, and once we click on this repository, you realize it has the same readme as this project. That's how you import a repository to GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.